Go from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
Hey Zebra! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, sobrang na-miss kong sabihin yon. And I'm sorry guys for being MIA for the past months. And the reason why is because I recently started my online business, which is a bookstore. So, shout out to my fellow bookworms. If you want to follow us on our page, you can like the page of BookTap, and also you can follow us on Instagram, which is shop.booktap. So anyways, with that promotion guys, let's get started. So as you can see in the title of this video, I will be doing an unboxing and first impression of the Snail White products. So I'm very excited for this to come, and actually, ano yung feeling na kaka-check out mo pa lang sa Lazada, naghihintay ka na siyang dumating. So, yun yung feeling na to. Kasi ang tagal ko na siyang gustong bilhin. So, if you want to know my thoughts and first impressions about these products, just keep on watching. So, finally guys, dumating na to kanina. And I actually sanitized this already. So, let's unbox it. There you go. So, meron siyang bubble wrap. I got the whip soap. I also have this Snail White toner. Then, I also have the moisturizer. And meron siyang free body wash. And actually, sobrang funny ng story nang binili ko to kasi nagdi-discuss lang kami nung sister-in-law ko. And bigla ko nabanggit na parang, sis, parang gusto kong mai-try na product. Tapos sinabi niya, ako din sis, parang gusto ko try yung Snail White. Snail White din yung nasa isip ko. So, ang nangyari is we bought the same products. This Snail White products is actually from Thailand, and Chris Aquino was the one who brought it here in the Philippines by collaborating with the principals of the company. And sabi din sa vlog niya na she was really curious about the Snail White products when she was in Thailand. And she got an opportunity to talk to of course, to the owners or the management of the Snail White for it to be brought here in the Philippines. And actually, noong 2018 pa siya available here in the Philippines, if I'm not mistaken. And ngayon ko lang talaga siya binili kasi thinking about yung mga endorser niya, si Chris Aquino, si Erich Gonzalez, si Alex Gonzaga, si Ray Hermart, and looking at their skin, sino bang hindi mako-curious with this product? So, I will be starting off with the Snail White whip soap. And ito talaga yung favorite daw ni Chris Aquino. And dito daw siya yung product na in love. So, let's see kung ano yung pinaka nakaka-in love or why did she fell in love with this product. So, before I open it, I will be discussing first with the authenticity sticker. So, this sticker daw, sabi ni Erich Gonzalez in her vlog, is that it is used para malaman mo if authentic yung product. Kasi madami na daw na nagkakalat na fake of this product. So, I'll be opening it before discussing to you the ingredients. Ang bango niya, guys. Pero medyo matapang yung amoy niya. Parang siyang perfume. Something like that. So, I'm not really sensitive when it comes sa mga fragrance. But this one smells like, alam mo yung parang pumasok ka sa 5-star hotel. Sis, ganun yung amoy niya. And it's very luxurious. Sis, parang naamoy ko na to sa, may mga, basta amoy bathroom siya ng hotel. Sobrang bango niya. And, ang bango pa. Inamoy na lang ng inamoy. Meron siyang, of course, the net for it to be to create the foam. So, ganito lang siya kaliit, guys. I hope you can see. And this is the palm of my hand, and ganyan lang siya. So, wala siya sa kalahati. And also, it's the parang regular bar soap na size lang. So, before I use this, guys, I will be discussing first yung active ingredients, some ingredients na na-highlight sa utak ko, and also yung mga parang benefits neto. So, again, this one is a Snail White whip soap, and it contains 100 grams, and this is actually 295 pesos. So, ang sabi dito is that it is formulated with micellar foam technology. So, yung foam daw is made up of microscopic spheres, which is called the micellar, and yung micellar is the one that absorb the dirt and excess oil on your face without harsh rubbing. So, eventually guys, hindi yung net yung pang kukuskus mo sa mukha mo, and you won't be removing yung product inside the net, but you will be using the foam to put it on your face. So, ang sabi dito that it has a active ingredient, which is the bearberry leaf extract, micellar foam technology, and hyaluronic acid. The bearberry leaf extract lightens dark marks and even skin tone, and the micellar foam technology soothes and calms the skin, and the hyaluronic acid hydrates and smoothens the skin. So, while reading yung ingredients niya, meron din siyang ng niacinamide, centella asiatica, snail secretion filtrate. So, as you can see, Snail White kasi, aside from the active ingredient na nabanggit ko kanina, ang pinaka-prominent talaga na ingredients of Snail White is the snail secretion filtrate, which is also known as the snail slime. So, ano ba yung mga benefits nun? Ang benefits nun is that it nourishes and protects the skin. It also fades acne scars and wrinkles and stretch marks. It also battles acne and dandruff. It exfoliates, heals wounds and burns, and promotes optimal skin health. So, I hope now by using this, it will really fade my acne marks kasi if you guys don't know, I have a oily combination skin and I'm acne prone skin. Let's try this later and I'll be moving on to the next step, which is this Snail White Glow Potion AHA BHA Toner. So this is what it looks like. Meron lang siyang cap, and actually guys, it is in a parang seal wrap. So this is what it looks like open, and meron din siya ng authenticity sticker. Ooh, ang bango niya. Ano ba, smell test o wear test? I don't know how to describe fragrance, but parang siyang sweet. Parang siyang nasa sweet side. So actually, this is my first time to use an AHA and BHA toner. So let's see how it goes. So ang sabi dito is that it tones and gently exfoliates to reveal glowing skin. So it is also alcohol-free and it contains 150 ml. So again, at the back, the description of the product, the direction, the warning, ingredients, manufacturing, importers, distributors, and the dates. So, I bought this guys for 395 pesos. So, ang sabi dito on the description of the product is that it is a multitasking toner. It exfoliates dead skin cells by using a powerful but gentle blend of ingredients. So, ang sabi dito that it is ABCs. So, it is alcohol-free, it brightens dullness, and also clarifies and clear pores. It has 6 ingredients. So, the first ingredient is of course the AHA and BHA, which exfoliates and controls oil and sebum production. It also has alpine willow herb and witch hazel extract, which soothes and calms the skin. And also, meron din siyang glycerin, which brightens the skin, and hyaluronic acid, which hydrates skin and locks in moisture. Meron din siya ng niacinamide, it brightens for an even glow, and also it comes with ginseng extract, which helps your skin fight off your free radicals to keep your moisture barrier strong. Now, let's move on with the most expensive of this product is this Snail White Snail Secretion Filtrate Moisture Facial Cream. O, diba? Ang haba ng pangalan. So, this is what the package looks like. So, let's open it. Wait lang, i-ASMR ko kayo. Sana naririnig mo. ASMR ka, girl. So, this is what it looks like, guys. Again, meron siya ng authenticity sticker. Turning around the products, meron siyang how to use, meron siyang, again, the description, the warning, the ingredients, the manufacturing, importers, and distributors. Then, meron siya nung, ganyan. And actually, maliit lang pala siya. So, let's open it. This is the most expensive moisturizer that I've ever owned. So, ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya. So, it comes with a very, very cute packaging. And, maliit lang pala siya, guys. Akala ko, ganun siya kalaki. So, meron din siyang seal. If I open it, meron siya nung parang pump. And hindi siya yung parang ginagrab mo na ganun, which I very, very like. So, guys, again, this one is a Snail White Snail Secretion Filtrate Moisture Facial Cream. And ang haba ng pangalan niya, but it contains 30 ml of products. And ang shelf life niya is 12 months. Ang tagal ko na din gustong i-try ito, but the price, guys, it's almost 1,000 pesos kasi this retails for 995 pesos, and I actually bought this from the Beauty Laz Mall sale, which is just 750 or 775 pesos. So, sabi dito is that it is rich in nutrients and natural skin regeneration benefits. The Snail Potion helps to brighten skin and stimulate the creation of collagen for firm and healthy skin. Collagen synthesizes the production of the skin elasticity. And again, it is formulated with niacinamide. It comes with centella asiatica. So, meron siyang Actually, meron siyang 7 active ingredients and parang mostly I didn't know na magagamit siya for a skincare product. So, the first one is bisabolol, if I'm pronouncing it right. It reduces inflammation and irritation and soothes the skin. It also has Swiss lavender. So, it relieves skin of redness and irritation. Meron din siya ng ginger, which soothes redness and inflammation in your skin. Meron din siyang hyaluronic acid, which hydrates and locks in moisture. Number 5 is that it has niacinamide, which visibly diminish the redness and dark spot of the face. Meron din siyang ginseng extract, which helps your skin fight off free radicals to keep your moisture barrier strong. And meron din siyang, again, Centella asiatica extract, which brightens skin for an instant glow. But before I do a first impression of this product, banggitin ko na din to. This one is free. And for every 1,000 purchase of the product, meron siya ng free na body wash. So, I will be doing this in a separate video kasi ang gagawin ko talaga muna is the Holy Trinity set na tinatawag. Actually, meron siyang set, but it comes with a pouch. Pero mas mahal kasi yon kasi thinking na meron siyang kasamang pouch, I don't really need the pouch. So, I bought it individually. Okay, so now let's try these products. So, meron akong tabo. May tubig. So, hindi ko kasi madadala kayo doon sa restroom. Nilulumblog ko. So, i-whip ko na lang siya. Actually, parang onti lang yung bula niya. So, I'll be whipping it more. Ay, nako. Do it for the vlog. So, ayan. Ito sa ata yung pinakamakalat kong vlog. So, ayan. So, sabi ni Erich Gonzalez, lagay mo daw siya. Wow! Lagay mo siya on your face. Wait lang nga. Time first. When I use yung whip soap kasi, I do it like this. Tapos, in-mirror-rub ko talaga siya ng matindi. Kaya natin today. So, sabi ni Erich Gonzalez, dapat daw gentle. Nakalimutan ko yung gentle part. So, nakita niyo naman yung skin ko kanina. But I'll be doing a... Oh my gosh! Ang kalat ko! I will be doing a 30 days and trying this product. And I'll be documenting every time I will use it para makita nyo din yung changes. And nakita nyo naman kanina yung itsura ng skin ko. So, that will be the basis of the before. So, ayan. I'll be putting on my neck kasi I have acne there. So, ayan. So, I'll just wash my face. So, I'm back, guys. While I was washing my face, parang, alam mo, parang nagka-stinging feel siya. Pero, hindi naman siya tumagal. And, while you're washing it, natatanggal din yung stinging feel. Pero, nung nilagay ko yung sabon, wala naman siyang ganong feel. And, it's very, very soft on the skin. So, now that touching it, hindi ko alam kung may sabon pa siya, pero ang lambot niya. Face feels so soft, and if I'm going to touch it, ang lambot and ang kinis ng feel. May parang puwet ng bata. Ganun. Parang siyang puwet ng baby. So, ganun yung feel niya. I'll just be letting it dry. Then, we'll move on to the next product. So, I'm back, guys, and medyo tuyo na yung mukha ko. But before we touch our face again, let's sanitize our hands. It's time for this one to shine. And hindi na ako gagamit ng cotton pads because I'm trying to save money and save the earth. 2, 3, 4. So, after applying this Glow Potion Toner without cotton pads, I can see a minimal brightening effect of it. So, papatuyin ko na lang siya again. So, now I'll be trying this one and magpapump ka lang dyan. Ooh! Ayan na, may lumabas na siyang product. And I'll just get the product. And feeling ng product, madali naman siya makuha and it's very hygienic. So, ang feel ng product is that moisturizing. So, ayan. Let's apply it on my face. So, actually guys, this is not my first time using a Snail product. The reason of that is because I tried before yung parang nasa container siya ng ganun. And I don't really like it kasi it feels tacky on the skin. This one naman, it's a balance. Parang siyang malapit-lapit siya sa parang water consistency, but with that slime feel. Yung amoy niya guys, similar siya ng soap, but mas minimal yung scent nito. Dispensing more. Medyo napadami yata tayo, no? Medyo madami pala. So, pag din naman pa talaga yung press, madami palang lalabas na products. So, now you know. Because I didn't know. I'll be putting a second layer. So, this is what a second layer of the moisture cream looks like. This is the initial look of the product. Hindi pa siya kasi tuyo. So, pero ito yung itsura niya pagka nakalagay siya on the skin after applying. Actually, second layer to guys kasi napadami yung lagay ko or pag-dispense ko ng product. And it's no turning back kasi napump ko na siya. So, if you're going to use this, make sure to just pump lang ng isa. Huwag mo na siyang hintayin na parang gumanon yung product. So, looking at the product on my skin, as you can see, it's very tacky. Or kung nakikita nyo, basta may tack feel siya. But it gives you that glow. I can see the glow. It's a healthy glow. So I am finally back guys. And for my initial final thoughts of these products, actually yung isa nasa bathroom ko na, I can really say na it gives my skin that healthy glow. And hindi siya yung mabigat sa face. Actually parang wala akong nararamdaman sa kanya. And I really like this one kasi it's not yung pag inisip mo kasing snail, it's slimy, it's bothering. Pero this one guys, parang lang siyang yung regular na moisturizer mo. And looking at it sa mirror, parang ayoko na nga mag-makeup. And hindi na ako nag-makeup kasi I was really planning to put on makeup for the outro. But sis, sobrang kinis ng face ko and it gives you that glow. It makes my skin looks brightened from within. Do you know what I mean? Parang siyang ganon. And stay tuned guys for my next video because I will be doing a review of the body wash, yung body booster, and yung CC sunscreen naman. So, with all of those things guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to show me some love and support, and also please don't forget to comment down below some video suggestions or videos that you want me to do in the future. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching again and stay safe. Bye!